Welcome back. Today we're tackling how to lose weight without sacrificing flavor. Forget bland chicken and broccoli. Let's dive into vibrant, healthy Asian cuisine. I've got 10 quick, delicious recipes using fresh ingredients, lean proteins, and colorful veggies. These meals are all about making healthy eating joyful and sustainable. Ready to say goodbye to boring diet food? Let's get started. First up, we're making a veggie Thai zoodle salad, a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Imagine a bowl bursting with color, texture, and fresh flavors, all coming together in a vibrant, healthy meal that's perfect for any time of day. This salad is a celebration of vegetables, and it's so easy to make, you'll want to whip it up again and again. The star of this dish is spiralized zucchini, which creates those fun, noodle-like strands that are light and refreshing. Add in spiralized carrots and bell peppers for a pop of color and crunch. These veggies are not only visually stunning, but they also bring a variety of nutrients and flavors to the table. Once your veggies are prepped, it's time for the magic, a zesty Thai vinaigrette. This dressing is made with fresh lime juice for brightness, a splash of fish sauce for umami depth, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a kick of ginger and garlic to tie it all together. Pour it generously over your zoodles and watch the flavors come alive. Don't have a spiralizer? No problem at all. You can easily use a regular vegetable peeler to create beautiful, noodle-like ribbons from your zucchini and carrots. Just run the peeler down the length of the vegetables, and you'll have gorgeous, thin strips that work perfectly in the salad. It's a simple hack that makes this recipe accessible to everyone. No fancy equipment required. Once your veggies are ready and dressed, toss everything together with tongs to make sure every strand is coated in that flavorful vinaigrette. For extra crunch and a burst of freshness, top your salad with chopped peanuts, fragrant cilantro, and cool mint leaves. These garnishes not only add texture and color, but they also bring a wonderful aroma and a layer of complexity to every bite. The best part? This salad is completely raw, which means it's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's naturally low in calories, making it a guilt-free option that doesn't skimp on flavor. Every forkful is crisp, refreshing, and satisfying, with a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory notes. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch to take on the go, a light dinner, or a colorful side dish for your next gathering, this veggie Thai zoodle salad fits the bill. It's quick to prepare, requires no cooking, and can be made ahead for meal prep. Just pack it in a container, and you've got a healthy, energizing meal ready whenever you need it. This salad is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. With its bold flavors, gorgeous presentation, and satisfying crunch, it's a dish you'll actually crave. It's perfect for impressing guests or simply treating yourself to something special, all while nourishing your body. Try this veggie Thai zoodle salad once and you'll want to make it part of your regular rotation. It's fresh, fun, and absolutely delicious. Healthy eating at its most crave-worthy. Next, a Japanese tofu and veggie stir-fry, your weeknight hero. Press firm tofu, cube it, and stir-fry until golden. Add broccoli, mushrooms, and bell peppers, or any veggies you have. Toss with a simple sauce. Low-sodium soy, mirin, ginger, and garlic. Everything cooks in minutes, staying crisp and fresh. Serve hot for a protein-packed, plant-based meal. Fast, healthy, and full of umami. Time for Korean spicy chicken lettuce wraps. Bold, spicy, and low-carb. Marinate chicken thighs in gochujang, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and rice vinegar. Cook until caramelized and juicy. Spoon into crisp lettuce leaves. Top with cucumber, carrots, and sesame seeds for crunch. Each bite is spicy, cool, and satisfying. Fun to eat, perfect for meal prep. Healthy never tasted so exciting. When the weather heats up or you're craving something light and refreshing, Vietnamese fresh spring rolls are the perfect answer. These rolls are a celebration of color, texture, and flavor, all wrapped up in a delicate rice paper package. Each roll is under 200 calories, making them a guilt-free treat you can enjoy any time of day. They're not just healthy, they're also incredibly satisfying, thanks to the combination of crisp vegetables, tender shrimp, and fragrant herbs. Whether you're making them for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or as a show-stopping appetizer for friends, these spring rolls are sure to impress. Start by softening your rice paper wrappers in warm water. Just a few seconds is all it takes. Lay the wrapper flat and then layer in your favorite fillings. Traditionally, you'll use plump shrimp, delicate vermicelli noodles, crisp lettuce, sweet carrots, cool cucumber, and a generous handful of fresh herbs like mint, cilantro, and Thai basil. The beauty of these rolls is that you can customize them to your taste. Add avocado for creaminess or swap in tofu for a vegetarian twist. The key is to use the freshest ingredients you can find, so every bite bursts with flavor and crunch. Once your fillings are in place, it's time to roll. Fold the sides over the filling, then roll it up tightly from the bottom, just like you would a burrito. Don't worry if your first few aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect, and even the less than perfect rolls taste amazing. As you roll, you'll see the beautiful layers of shrimp, noodles, and veggies peeking through the translucent wrapper, making each roll a little work of edible art. No spring roll is complete without a delicious dipping sauce. Whip up a quick peanut sauce by mixing creamy peanut butter, savory hoisin sauce, a squeeze of fresh lime, a splash of water, and a dash of sriracha for heat. Stir until smooth and adjust the flavors to your liking. Some like it sweeter, others spicier. This sauce is the perfect complement to the fresh, crisp flavors of the rolls, adding a rich, nutty finish to every bite. The best part? These are essentially salads you can eat with your hands. They're fun to assemble, even more fun to eat, and perfect for sharing with friends and family. Set up a spring roll station and let everyone build their own. Kids and adults alike will love getting creative with the fillings and sauces. Each roll is crisp, aromatic, and bursting with freshness. The combination of crunchy vegetables, soft noodles, and fragrant herbs creates a symphony of textures and flavors in every bite. Making them is almost as enjoyable as eating them. There's something so satisfying about assembling these vibrant rolls and seeing all the colors come together. Vietnamese fresh spring rolls are perfect for any occasion. Pack them in a lunchbox for a healthy midday meal, serve them as a light snack, or bring them to a picnic for a refreshing treat. They travel well and taste just as good chilled as they do fresh. Don't forget the herbs. They truly make all the difference. Each bite is a burst of flavor, thanks to the mint, cilantro, and basil tucked inside. Dip, crunch, and repeat for a snack that's as addictive as it is wholesome. With every bite, you'll taste pure bliss, fresh, vibrant, and utterly delicious. Vietnamese fresh spring rolls are more than just a meal. They're an experience you'll want to savor again and again. For clean, elegant eating, try Chinese steamed fish with ginger and scallions. Use fresh white fish, fillets or whole. Make shallow cuts, stuff with ginger, and top with scallions. Steam until just cooked through. Finish with sizzling hot oil and a drizzle of soy sauce. The aroma is incredible and the fish stays moist and tender. Simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. A true classic. There's nothing quite like the comfort of a steaming bowl of Japanese miso soup with vegetables. This classic dish is a staple in Japanese homes, loved for its delicate flavors, nourishing ingredients, and the way it warms you from the inside out. Whether you're looking for a light meal or a soothing starter, miso soup is always a welcome choice. Begin by preparing the essential base, dashi broth. Traditionally, dashi is made by simmering kombu seaweed and bonito flakes, infusing the water with a subtle umami flavor. If you're short on time, instant dashi packets are a convenient alternative that still deliver that signature taste. Once your broth is ready, add in cubes of soft tofu for protein, earthy shiitake mushrooms for depth, and rehydrated wakame seaweed for a touch of the ocean. These ingredients not only add texture and flavor, but also boost the soup's nutritional value. The heart of this soup is the miso paste. Whisk white miso with a bit of broth to create a smooth slurry, then gently stir it into the pot off the heat. This preserves the beneficial probiotics found in miso, making your soup both delicious and gut-friendly. For an extra boost of vitamins and color, toss in a handful of fresh spinach or crisp bok choy. These greens wilt quickly in the hot broth, adding freshness and a pop of green to every bowl. Ladle the soup into bowls and finish with a sprinkle of sliced scallions. The result is a light, savory, and deeply satisfying soup that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. Japanese miso soup with vegetables is perfect as a starter or a wholesome light meal. It's a bowl full of comfort, packed with nutrients, and sure to soothe your soul with every spoonful. Taste the tropics with Thai mango and chicken salad. Combine ripe mango, grilled chicken, red onion, bell pepper, mint, and cilantro. Dress with lime juice, fish sauce, honey, and chili. Toss gently and top with roasted peanuts. Every bite is sweet, tangy, and spicy. Refreshing, filling, and perfect for summer. Swap in shrimp for variety. A flavor explosion in every forkful. Start your day right with an Asian veggie omelet. Whisk eggs with soy sauce and sesame oil. Sauté bok choy, mushrooms, and bean sprouts, then add eggs. Cook gently, fold and garnish with scallions and sesame seeds. High protein, low carb, and full of flavor. Add sriracha for a spicy kick. Breakfast just got a delicious upgrade. Quick and crowd-pleasing. Stir-fried shrimp with broccoli and garlic. Prep shrimp, broccoli, and garlic before you start. Stir-fry shrimp, set aside, then cook garlic, ginger, and broccoli. Add shrimp back. Toss with soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of cornstarch. Everything cooks fast, stays crisp and juicy. Healthy, satisfying, and ready in minutes. Perfect for busy nights. Finish strong with Japanese soba noodle salad. Cook soba noodles, rinse well, and toss with cucumber, edamame, and scallions. Dress with soy sauce, mirin, dashi, and ginger. Garnish with sesame seeds and shredded nori. Served cold, it's light, nutty, and refreshing. Great for lunch or meal prep. High in fiber and protein. Effortlessly healthy and delicious. That's 10 easy, healthy Asian meals to spice up your weight loss journey. Eating well can be flavorful, quick, and fun. Try these recipes. Mix up the veggies and proteins and make them your own. Let me know your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, happy cooking!